underneath.
Van life is not always sunsets and rainbows. You can have some rainy days, you can have some challenges, you can have some cabin fever, but best of all, you can have some fun. You can wake up to the pitter-patter of rain on the roof of the van, realising your plans for the day are washed away. But hey, that's part of the adventure. Beck's joining me for another adventure, but at least we don't have to pitch a tent in the rain. We've got our own home on wheels for the weekend. That's the advantage of van life. True, it's a wet and wild start, but the forecast says sunshine tomorrow. Beck's thinking, that's not what I signed up for. I want the sunshine. I want to have my bathers on. I want to go for a swim. So Beck's had a wonderful night's sleep in her usual surroundings, but now she's got to convert to the van life lady. And sometimes that's not easy, especially when it's raining. And we all know you can't sleep in a Porsche or a helicopter. The van life has many advantages, including improving your Australian accent.
G'day!
So the inclement weather has turned boisterous.
Going.
Oh,
Where are you going?
We're going to Ballina. Huh?
Oh.
Have a look at the weather, it's perfect. Van life is not always sunsets and rainbows.
Yeah.
Eh? Beck likes my shirt.
Purple t-shirt with purple rain.
Purple rain, purple rain goes to my head. Have a look at this weather. Hey Beck, where are you? Where are you?
Ballina.
Yeah, but where are you?
Ballina's truck stop, is it?
At the truck stop.
Again.
Very busy today, Beck?
Yeah, very busy today.
Hey, it is pretty busy, isn't it, eh?
Yeah, lots of people today, isn't it?
What's that?
There's so many people today. It's so
Heaps. Everyone's escaping the rain and the heavy traffic conditions. These service centres are unreal, but now we're off to our caravan site. Overnight, $90 Australian or 3,245,000 pesos for all our Filipino subscribers. There's plenty of them. Aren't we, Beck?
We're in the G'day Park in Discovery.
Now this is where I wish we really were, on a rooftop, away from everyone. Those push bikes are a bit of a worry. We were there for 2 seconds, even though it was raining. Beck wanted to go for a walk in the nearby lake/river. Told her not to swim in there, it's full of bull sharks. It's got a real reputation around Ballina. And look at that just made me really hungry. I started dreaming about this hot dog bar, and well, Beck was dreaming about a Thai restaurant, So yeah, like many other people, we got a bit of cabin fever. We headed out to find ourselves a Thai restaurant in Ballina, which wasn't hard. There was plenty of them. A meal with 2 drinks cost $60, or that is 2,163 pesos for our Filipino subscribers. We slept well with a pitter-patter of rain on the roof all night, but the sun came up, the rainbows are out, and we were in for a great day. We're leaving the Reflections Caravan Park, isn't it? Yeah. We're leaving Reflections.
Yeah. Discovery,
okay.
Yeah.
It was a good day, Discovery.
Discovery.
Yeah, $89. They've got boom gates and they've got codes for the toilets, but guess what? None of them work. You just drive in and out. You just open the door and close it. So they haven't bothered about that. Just have a look at it. Have a look at my shoulder, guys. Look at that. Woohoo! That is so nice. This fire was absolutely unreal. The results wasn't there last time. Ballina has had floods in the past, but the people that live there are very resilient. They pick up the pieces, build it all again, and move on. We're heading toward Lennox Head way. We've gone from Ballina, and we've got this nice canopy of trees over the top. Beck was telling me it's not easy going from comfortable home to living on wheels, but days like today make it worth it. This guy with the car camper, he wasn't stealth, he was set up like you wouldn't believe. He was set up like it was legal and paid for the site. It was hilarious. Our next plan is to do some van life cooking, have a nice meal, cook it in the van, and following that, Beck's got her bathers on and she's so keen for a swim. So we'll be swimming in the surf when we find a spot. Going through Lennox Head right now, right through the town centre, heading north. Yeah, very nice. Very expensive too, I think.
Lennox.
So we've got some nice crumb chicken breast there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4. So the beauty of this, just sitting here now waiting for the air fryer to cook those chicken bits, and Beck's gone off to get 2 coffees from a coffee shop just across the road here. Yeah, it's a great setup. We can just walk to the beach from here. And Beck's ordered coffee. Yeah. Oh, really? Now let's check on this. Oh, look at that. That's cooking well. Look at that. Yummy! So Beck can't help herself. She's just doing housework all the time. Huh? What's that called?
Novated leasing.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
Do you want this? I'm just wondering.
Oh, you can have it if you want it. You want a novated lease?
I don't want it.
I got that from, yeah, from my super fund.
Okay, yeah.
plenty of battery power here. We've got 300 amp hours. It's three 100 amp hour batteries joined in parallel. Oh, my coffee.
One cappuccino.
Oh, what cup? Oh, don't want to spill it. Oh, that's hot, eh? So is that down there? Yeah. Beck's there showing off her coffee. After we have a swim, eh? We'll do the right thing. Have a big feed. Go for a swim.
Yes.
Get a few cramps.
Good idea.
See guys, top shelf kimchi. The kimchi company. As everyone knows, it's a Korean delicacy. You get these from Woolworths. Absolutely awesome. See here you've got some nice berries and everything in there. So I'll try and mix these up evenly somehow. There we go. Yeah, that's worked good. There we go. And away like a rabbit. Alright. Well, bon appetit guys. We're just about to have our feed. Looks pretty good, Beck, eh? Tastes awesome. Beck's got a bathers on, ready for a swim. Which is public reserve, okay. Hey guys, this is bloody beautiful here. So we're just down the road from Lennox Head on a surf beach. Absolutely beautiful. Surf's really nice, the water temperature's absolutely beautiful. There's Beck getting dressed. Vanlife isn't perfect. It's a mix of highs and lows, challenges and rewards. It's not for everyone, but for those who embrace it, it's a life full of stories and unforgettable moments. Remember that. Oh, that's hot, eh? So is that down there? Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Just hit that little button, hit the notification bell, and hit the like button for us. It all helps the algorithm spread the Stay Awesome.